Meaning of enduring.
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 Enduring. The term enduring refers to something that is able to withstand the test of time, remaining strong and intact despite challenges or difficulties. It describes a quality of persistence and resilience, where an entity or individual is able to maintain its essential nature or character over time. This can refer to physical objects or abstract concepts, such as enduring love or an enduring legacy. Ultimately, endurance signifies a powerful quality of perseverance and determination that allows something to continue for an extended period of time, despite obstacles or opposition.